Hello, good afternoon, classmates and teachers. My name is Janet Quintero. I'm 31 years old, studying Business Administration 18th semester, Profession Management Assistant, Speaking Final Presentation. Artist Karol G. Karol G is Colombian singer and composer of reggaeton, and one of her interviews, she said that what she likes the most is to dance salsa. In her country, she says that she gives her arts and stand in age of her presentation because she guides her team of hers even if she has linear health situations. She is always and will always be for her public. Karol G, she says that it was her process of being an artist specialist because what she offers is her voice, her lyrics, and not her voice, for which she has big criticism of several occasions, and she says that she likes to eat a lot, but she takes care to deliver all of herself. She Karol G, in my opinion about the artist, I think it is good that the artists like her does not put limits to her body, not only because of her being and celebrity, but because it shows how empowered women can be. I think that today, today, not everything can be prototypes, and rather be we heard that we like minded to push and transmit that and security to the rest of the world. Thanks, good afternoon. Bye.